take 2 of this Nickelodeon slime. It's the same slime. We already got the measurements. So you do need that spoon for the color though. Okay, so.
It's actually really good now, man. Okay, we can always use the other. All right, first thing, glue.
We have to start.
With the glue. 30
milliliters.
30 milliliters of glue.
That's
step 1. Maybe I'll put a little thing.
It's a little bit over 30.
Yeah.
Because, like, look at that.
Okay, that's probably good. We don't put too much.
It's so much bigger than last time. What? Okay.
Quit making comments like that. Okay, next is water.
What?
Nothing.
15.
Water.
15 milliliters of water.
In it goes. Done?
Yes.
You
Now
want me to mix?
Now we have to add the coloring.
You have to mix that first, then the color.
No.
Yes. Trust me. I know what I'm doing. Not really, because take 1 was a dismal failure. Story of my life. Story of my life.
Oh my gosh.
Just think, she has to live with this on a daily basis. Don't you?
But yes, but when I'm not on camera or at school.
Why are you way over there?
Or in public.
Yes.
I don't act serious. I just act
This
normal.
is true. You're only weird in school.
No, I'm not. Oh my gosh.
You're only weird in school.
I'm funny at school. They all think I'm funny.
You're just like by the rules.
Yes, I make sure that they listen to the rules.
Yeah, we all, trust me, we all know, buddy. Go ahead. That's enough. That's enough.
That's enough.
Oh my God, that's enough.
I don't talk like that. Oh, Anna's home.
Yep.
Anna's home.
Anna's home. What are you two doing?
I have a call at 6.
Oh,
And
right.
I really-
This business over here has got a conference call at 6 o'clock.
Yes, I
With,
do.
who's this one with?
Sydney.
Sydney, shout out.
And I have another one at 8.
With?
Sydney.
That's not really there, blue. So, okay, so we're going to edit this out in a second. So we have to freeze. We have to freeze. Not yet. When that door opens, you got to freeze.
Okay. I didn't
Not yet. Anyway, continue with the video.
We're going.
It's not very blue.
It's not.
You want more blue in it?
No.
It looks like baby blue. Baby blue. Not our dog, but...
No. Okay, here.
Okay. What am I doing? Hello.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Now.
I gotta add the stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm mixing. Oh, you're gonna add. All right. Okay. Someone is breaking in the house.
What? No. Stop making up stories.
Are you adding? Are you adding?
Yes, I'm adding. Can't you feel
Oh,
it?
there we go. Now we're cooking. Okay. Okay. You got any more?
Oh.
Got any more?
No.
Okay. It sounds like when you make macaroni and cheese and like...
You mix it.
Hear that?
Slime ASMR.
That's good macaroni and cheese right there.
It's not macaroni and cheese.
Oh, we nailed it.
We did?
Look at...
It looks like cotton candy.
And the bowl is completely dry.
It looks like cotton candy. Yes, let me feel it.
Okay, now work it.
Oh, yes. It doesn't stick to me either. Maybe we just didn't add enough glue or something.
I think we didn't add enough activator.
Oh, it's a little cracked.
Yeah, I knew it was going to be. That's what the glycerin is for.
Yeah, we might.
But you're supposed to work it, though, so it's not too bad. Hey, I'd rather have it over-activated. I know you like to do all your little bubble tricks and all that stuff.
They do bubble tricks here.
Bubble tricks.
They're not called bubble tricks.
I know, but you can't have it both ways. You can't have it goopy and be not sticky. Hear that? Test number 1, 4 out of 4. 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
Stretch test.
I'm stretching it really slowly, so.
5 out of 5.
Okay. Okay, she's gonna come from the door.
Okay, we made this.
Yeah!
Oh, overactivated. That's my middle name. D'Angelo. And the O is for overactivated. Okay, what's the next test?
Swirl. We have to swirl it.
Okay.
You don't swirl them right, so I have to do it. No. Watch. Oh, darn it.
Glycerol. Get it. Where is it?
I don't know. Where'd you put it?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
no,
my screen?
no.
Oh, okay.
No.
Anna's. Yeah. No. Where's the glycerin?
I don't know.
What did I do with it?
Maybe you put it in the laundry.
Oh, I put it with the borax.
Which is in the laundry room.
It's in the laundry room. That just seemed like a reasonable place.
And
My assistant,
1,
Anna,
2,
will-
3.
What? Hey, I'd rather have it like this. All right.
You swirled it wrong.
Give me a little of that there, Anna.
Just like a teeny, just add literally the smallest drop ever imaginable. Please just add a tiny
But
bit.
you gotta let me do
No.
it because
No.
2 drops. That's all it takes.
I know. It's
Actually, I don't even feel it. It's gonna take more than that.
Really?
Yeah, I can't even feel it on there.
Can I?
That's because you know me, perpetual liar, and you never believe me.
Oh, it's softer. It feels a lot better.
See, you gotta just tweak it. Tweak it.
Look at this.
Granny panties.
No, they're not granny panties.
Look at blue granny panties.
No, watch.
Are you happy? Hey, we made that.
Now, maybe.
And thanks to the glitter on the table, it's kind of a glitter slime. Oh, and a surprise. We take the ducky.
We have the ducky.
Wait, we need to put. Well, no, we don't. Okay.
What's the surprise?
The duck is the surprise, but we know what it is because we put it in there.
Yeah, there's the surprise.
So I don't really understand.
It made it.
Did you save it? And the duck is gone. Perfect.
No, you can dig it out always. See? Like, look.
Doing chemistry over here.
Like, look. Hello there.
Look at that surprise.
He's
Okay,
there.
so 2 tests. What about your try the swirl test now without the duck? Does it still need glycerin? Maybe a drop.
A drop. Literally.
2 drops.
1
2.
drop. 2. 1.5.
Okay, there we go.
1. 2.
Ooh, there we go. I can feel it.
Now is it underactivated?
See, it still needs some.
You made it worse.
No, I didn't. I'm just pulling it a lot
let me
more.
feel it.
Maybe I just don't know how to work slime. That's probably what it is.
Probably.
5 out of 5. Stretch test, 5 out of 5 already.
No, not the stretch. This is
Panty test,
the bubble test.
aka granny panties. Oh, that's wonderful. That's a 5 out of 5. And you blocked it with your accoutrement here.
You're the one that put them there.
I didn't get to see it. It was so good. What's the other test? Swirl.
Yeah.
And what's the other one? Smell. But that's a non-smell.
No.
So you've got finger poke,
Bubbles.
bubbles,
Swirl.
swirl,
Stretchiness.
stretchiness,
Smell.
and smell, if applicable.
And texture.
How do you do that? You just feel
You
it.
touch it and see if the texture.
So technically, it's either out of 30 points or 25. If it's a scented, it's out of 30. If it's a non-scented, 25 scale.
Unscented.
unscented. Look, you got glitter in it. Good, I can pick up the glitter in this table.
No, not with this.
Mm-hmm.
No. That was... No.
Okay, so to wrap up,
This is a really good slime.
we made a good slime.
We did.
Take 2, but it's really good.
It's...
Really good.
Yes. He's like a little duck pond.
Yes, and the ducky says, bye, everybody.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Subscribe. I always do that wrong.
You can friend on Twitch.
No, that's not what I was...
Subscribe?
That's not what I was... Does it still hurt? Does that still hurt?
More.
Does that still hurt? I'm asking you a question. Does that
No, it's just peeling. It itches.
Okay, now, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe to be part of our Snow Unicorn Army. And please comment, rate, subscribe. Thumbs up and friend us on Twitch at www.twitch.tv/moved2wv. Listen to our podcast. It's The Slytherin Twins. You can go on anchor.fm/The Slytherin Twins, or you can listen to our podcast, The Slytherin Twins, on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or Google Podcasts. And follow us on Instagram at UnicornElsa09. We'll see you all next time. Bye!